Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Tormented Souls 2 game not launching, not loading, black screen, crashing, lagging or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. So the first method is to restart the game. So for that, first select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller. Then select quit. Finally restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to clear persistent storage. This will help you to clear the cached data. For that, open settings, then choose device and connections, then click on Blu-ray. Now select persistent storage and then select clear persistent storage. Next method is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, now select settings, then choose network settings, then test network connection and wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next solution is to perform a power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next method is to check for Tormented Souls 2 update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available and after updating, check if the problem is resolved. Next method is to clear cache of Tormented Souls 2 game. For that, press Xbox guide. Now click on My Games and Apps, then tap on See All. Here search for Tormented Souls 2 game, then press menu. Now select Manage Game and Add-ons. Then tap on Save Data, then click on Reserved Space. Finally tap on Clear Reserved Space. Next solution is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on Settings under Profile and System. Next, go to Account, then click on Remove Accounts. Here choose the account to remove. Now select Remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to the latest and not running on outdated version. First, open settings on your Xbox, then choose system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click it to begin the update process. Next solution is to check storage. So for that, press Xbox button, then go to Profile and System, then click on Settings, then click on System, then click on Storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to reinstall Tormented Souls 2 game. For that, press Xbox button controller. Now move to My Games and Apps, then select See All option. Here select Tormented Souls 2, then press menu button, then select uninstall. After the game is removed, open Tormented Souls 2 official website and download the game. And then check if you can play the game. If not, then the final method is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will resolve it from their end. And you can play the game further. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.